Let's talk about Solera's Blue Series for drywalls. The Blue Series is an innovative system that we developed at Solera. We have a complete range. The big difference and novelty is the fixing system made with cable ties, also known as tie wraps. Instead of the screw fixing system, we have the 1 mechanism, 2 mechanism, 3 mechanism and 4 mechanism boxes with their separating panels. The one place mechanism box is linkable using the linking accessory. It is an accessory that is sold separately and serves to join the 2 boxes. The cable ties are perfectly backed and ideally identified. Furthermore, we also have a marker that is used to mark the holes at the exact distance in a fast and straightforward way. In addition, it has 2 levels of bubbles to ensure perfect leveling both vertically and horizontally. We also have at your disposal a small presentation to showcase the boxes from the front and back and how to use the flanges in it. We talk about its advantages, which are 850 degrees resistance, anti-rotation system, as well as 40% time saving in the installation, and way more. Why? Because it's super fast and straightforward. How does it work? We imagine that this is the drywall. We have to put the box in the wall, pull the cable ties, and it is perfectly fixed to the wall. And now we only have to cut the axis, or we have to keep it inside the box in the other slit. It is now perfectly prepared for fixing the mechanism. The cable ties have a 3 teeth system. This makes sure that the flanges go deeper into the panel and presents the movement of the box because it will be perfectly fixed with a 3 teeth system. The other box is airtight. It is a box manufactured by the double injection system. It has a rigid plastic injection and another flexible injection to enter directly with a tube or cable. The function of this box is energy efficiency. This box avoids the entry of air, which is not achievable with a conventional box, because in there air flows inside the box, transmitting it to the rooms, and in this airtight box, the airflow will be avoided. In addition, the cable tie is also recoverable. However, you rarely need to recover the flange, but if it may occur, you can recover it by simply pressing it a little bit, using a screwdriver or your finger. The box also has 2 inlets to put the cable ties in the box. The outermost entrance is where the cable tie is to be inserted and the inner one is to hide it. There are 2 holes. The inner one is to hide the cable tie, and the outer one is where we have to introduce the cable tie. That is to say, the outer one cannot be used for the inner one. We have the widest range of the market. We provide switch boxes, junction boxes, and distribution boxes like our Arello series, both flush and surface mounted. And at the moment, currently, the Blue Series is Solera's standard for quality, innovation, simplicity, and usability, which brings an added value compared to the conventional boxes, which we also have with a metal clamp, which is much longer and more expensive, and it has higher repairing cost and time.